Good morning.
You ready for this?
As ready as I'll ever be. So we're definitely doing something a little fun today. We are on our way to go pick up a field car. So my buddy Jordan has a car that's been sitting for quite some time. So we have a 1999 Kia Sportage that's been chilling in a field for almost 2 years now. The last time he drove it, the clutch went totally limp, so the pedal would go all the way to the floor, so we know there's definitely an issue there, probably a blown clutch line or some other issue. We'll figure that out when we get to it. And then also we know there's some little electrical issues that we're gonna have to work out as well, in addition to all kinds of stuff that comes with just trying to start a car that's been sitting for multiple years. So we are grabbing a U-Haul, we're gonna grab a flatbed trailer, and we're heading up to the boonies. We're heading north of Orlando. We're gonna head over to his grandparents' property and maybe have some fun along the way. Yeah, your brakes were seized. They're good now, they're good. A little bit that way. Yep. Straight. You try a little bit more. Yep, you're good. This way, this way. Yep, more this way. You're good. A little bit more. All right, all right. Woo! Look at that. So we at least successfully got it on the trailer. So we did determine that the rear wheels were seized up. So that was kind of a pain.
It only took 3 of us.
Yeah, 3 of us and dragging it on, right? Literally dragging it.
Literally dragging it with another truck.
Yeah, so pushing it was definitely not an option. So all that's left to do is bring it back to the shop, somehow get it off of the trailer now that it's on, and then I don't know, that's it.
How smooth do you think that's gonna be getting that off the trailer?
We'll get creative. We'll get creative. We'll see.
Wish us luck.
There it goes. Woo! Fucking A. Oh, shit!